So hello and welcome Biscuiters. Welcome to Biscuit Showtime. I'm your host Deepa Avtani in your segment Quarantine में आज हमारे साथ है your favorite Indian television's love, film fraternity's eye candy. I don't think I need to explain anymore. He's our Karan Virani. He's our Ahmed from the movie Kalank. You've seen him in Kahin Kisi Roz, Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi, and our very favorite Pratham Mittal from Kutum. We've got lots to talk to him, so let's wait no more and welcome Hiten Tejwani. So we are here now.
Hello.
Yes, we are. Hello, Hiten. How are you doing? Thank you so
I'm
much for
fine. How
joining
are
us.
you? Lovely,
Doing
lovely.
great.
Thank you.
Cheers
Good,
to
good.
your chai. We see your Instagram post there. Very motivating.
Thank you, thank you, thank you so much.
ये बताइए क्वारंटाइन में आपका हाल कैसा चल रहा है?
क्वारंटाइन में सबकी तरह हाल है, सबकी तरह घर में हूँ और घर में थोड़ा बहुत मस्ती करता हूँ, काम करता हूँ, जैसे तैसे टाइम निकालते हैं।
आई थिंक हर कोई ऐसा सोचा बट वेरी पॉजिटिव बीइंग देयर. हम आपके इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट देखते रहते हैं. इट्स वेरी
Thank you.
मोटिवेटिंग. यू डू शेयर योर फिटनेस mantras there and how you spend time with your kids Phantom and adorable Gauri. So it's always fun
Thank
to
you.
watch you there. Absolutely. We in
Yes.
fact had one of your friends asking you how do you maintain your fitness. So as much as I want to say, we go gaga on your Instagram, would you like to share your secrets there?
Well, it is no secret as such because जो है वो सामने ही है, आप लोग देखते हो. I put it up. I believe in one thing that you have to eat right, and then you have to, of course, it's your body. You have to give it 1 hour. You have to work out 1 hour so
Mm-hmm.
that you are eating so many things. Plus, you're sitting at home the whole day. Blood circulation बहुत जरूरी है. It will not only help you to maintain a proper body, but then the blood will flow throughout the body, which is very much necessary and important. So your face glows, and you have a good skin, you have good hair, you have a good eyesight. All this is because the blood circulation is okay. And लॉकडाउन में और ज्यादा जरूरी है क्योंकि हम
Mm-hmm.
मोस्टली घर में बैठे हैं. ऑफ
True.
कोर्स जो लोग काम कर रहे हैं डेफिनेटली उनके हाथ पैर चल रहे हैं. अब बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो बोलेंगे हम आपकी तरह नहीं आराम करते, हम भी काम करते हैं. तो जो काम करते हैं बहुत अच्छी बात है, बट फिर भी अपने बॉडी को जस्ट गिव हाफ एन आवर 45 मिनट्स, 1 घंटा देना चाहिए. तो लीस्ट में लीस्ट आधा घंटा तो दे दो कम से कम, सो दैट यू गेट योर मसल्स, योर यू बेसिकली थोड़ा आराम मिले. रात को नींद
Absolutely,
अच्छे
very
आए.
well said. Very well said. I must say, अभी time ही time है, तो utilizing that in the best way possible indeed.
एब्सोल्युटली.
Isn't it? That so I'm hoping your fan Purao got the answer for that. I'm in Melbourne. You're in Mumbai. Lockdown हर जगह है. What other message have you
Absolutely.
got for the fans there?
Well, I will tell everybody this thing only, that what they are saying, our government and everywhere, everybody's trying to control this. There is no vaccine as such, abhi tak. But the only thing which can break the chain or you can break the cycle is that you have to have social distancing बहुत जरूरी है. तो आप बाहर ही नहीं निकलोगे तो ये फैलेगा ही नहीं. तो it's better you
Mm-hmm.
wherever you are. I know, it is not easy to sit at home for so long because it's been almost 2 months now for us also. And
Mm-hmm.
over there also, it must be almost the same time. Everybody must be, inside, sitting and getting bored because we are not used to sitting at home for so long unless, we are on a break or we're going out or we are, on vacation. फिर भी इतना नहीं, 2 महीने किसी को छुट्टी नहीं मिलती है. So
True.
So I know you're getting bored. I know, there's no other way, but that's the best you can do. The best way you can help, our government and everybody who's trying to control this is by sitting at home. Be at
Yes.
home and try not to venture out too much. If at all you have to go, wear the mask, gloves, and take all the safety precautions and the hygiene. You have to sanitize your hands and everything. Just take care of that. That's about it.
Amazing. Thank you for sharing that positivity.
Thank
Just
you.
on Biscuit Showtime, we've got a lot of fans here. You guys are sending a lot of questions. Rest assured, we'll have that segment at the end with a Q&A. So, keep those questions coming. I actually saw one of your fans from New York, Ruby, saying, she loves you a lot, big fan, never miss the show of Kutum. So, just saying it
Thank you,
out there.
Ruby.
We also had a lot of, comments coming in beforehand. One of them was from Roshni Dadlani. who actually mentioned that she's always mesmerized, and especially you and Gauri give couple goals. Keep being the
Thank you.
genuine, adorable guy there.
Thank you.
So
Thank you.
that's it. There are a lot of people did send love from Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka, yeah, the buyer.
So I had Manti and
Manti Ansra.
yes,
Yeah, yeah.
asking, any unforgettable scene on the sets of Sri Lankan drama, or anything else, any memory you want to share from Sri Lanka.
No, there, no unforgettable. No, I would say that it was an experience. Shooting there for Sri Lankan drama Pooja,
Mm-hmm.
and Janaki and all others on the set. Janaki was the producer also. And she was my co-actor also. She
Mm-hmm.
was doing so. You know, they they were really, really, cooperative, understanding. Because what had happened that after the first day or the second day of shoot, because doctor, that's what doctor told me that because of air pressure, जो मैं
Mm-hmm.
plane से travel करके आया था,
Uh-huh.
so I had some irritation in my ear, and because of that, my head was just paining like crazy. So, but I was controlling for 2 days. Third day, it was unbearable because I couldn't get up only from my bed. The doctor came in and then he told me that, it's that air
I know.
pressure.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes, it doesn't go out so easily because of the pressure. You have to, do certain exercises, take
Mm-hmm.
steam and all that so that you will get. I suggest you don't go for shoot today. But it was very cut to cut. We had gone, I'd given them like 6 days, so we had 6 days ka work, and I
Okay.
cannot, everything, how it is. It is every time it is planned. It is not that कि अभी 6 दिन के बाद में 7वें दिन के बाद 8वें दिन के बाद में we'll get the tickets done and everything. I had the tickets well in advance, so everything was planned. 6 दिन में काम खत्म करके I have to leave because I
Yes.
was to shooting. I have to shoot here also. So we couldn't waste one whole day. But yeah, I had to take a break for half day because it was unbearable. I wouldn't have done any. No, it was not possible for me to do anything, shoot like that. So they waited for me. The doctor was called in, and I took medicines, and then I went on the set, and I finished their work. So that was it. But yeah, this happens. It's okay. I mean,
No, no, I
that
think
was a
that's the
memory.
dedication, and that's a love for the work. It clearly shows there.
No, that
So
is necessary. Otherwise, you cannot. The whole idea is whichever field you are, if there's no passion, if there's no dedication, then I think you cannot survive for long. And I've been in this industry for now almost like 18, 19 years now.
mhm.
So it's only because of the dedication. If you don't have that, you're gone. Gone.
Very well said. And that's why we still remember you as Pratham Mittal. We still remember you as
Ah,
Karan Virani. There's no day that, that character would ever be off from our minds. We definitely recall that very well. I had Krish Nabal sharing, asking, do you have any memorable moments of any shooting? Like, anything that was very close to your heart that you would like to share?
Krishna. Any shooting close to my heart. Uh, well, every shoot there has been something or other. I was shooting for, not many people know this. I mean, not made a big deal about it. I was shooting for Tantra, which was matlab, not very, you will not go far down the memory lane, but this is what
Mhm.
quite recent, like, it's been almost a year or so, maybe.
Okay.
And there was a fight sequence in which I had to jump, and which is absolutely my fault only. But they had put all that on the road. They put that gaddas and all, the cushion, so that if I jump and I fall, so I fall on the cushion. I should not fall on the
Yes.
road. So I all these scenes and this thing, I forget everything, and then the passion is so high, and the energy is so high that I jumped in a way where I crossed those cushions and went on the road.
Whoa.
Means I jumped in a way where they thought ki, he would at the most till here he'll come. So they put the cushions accordingly. But I crossed those and I went ahead and banged my head on the road. and it was bleeding and all. But
Oh,
that's it. I mean, you can't do anything. I mean, there also doctor came in and gave me a shot, but I was ready to shoot because I was on the shoot only. I had to finish that day's work anyhow. So that I finished and I came home. That's it. I mean,
I mean, just
normal.
yet another day. We gave our shot. It went out great. Yeah, तो क्या हुआ?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
No,
That's it.
I think अगर वो news आती तो बहुत लोगों के दिल टूटते. Honestly speaking, if it would have gone viral.
Yeah, I mean, I don't make a big deal about it. There are a lot of things, I believe everybody must be remembering Kutum also. There was one scene
Yes.
in which, they show that the truck has banged my car and I had come out of the car, rolled on the road, and there was one tree, banged my head on the tree, and I'm unconscious.
Yes.
So, I was given an option of taking a duplicate to do this. I said, no, I will do it. And so basically, we show that the truck is banging the car, but actually it doesn't happen like that. We show it like that.
Yes. Yes.
But we have to feel the impact. An actor has to feel that impact. So the gypsy car has a very narrow what do you say channel. जो कांच है ना आगे का बहुत it's very narrow. So I had to in that shot only I had to jump from the seat, break that glass, go out of the glass, roll on the bonnet and on the road, then fall down on the road, and then rolling, go and hit myself at the tree. This I did myself and one shot.
One shot. Oh
So
my
yeah,
God.
and even my stunt master was surprised. Well, my God, what did you do? How can you? Matlab, you are an actor, I believe. And ये stunt वालों का काम है to do this, but you did it amazing, amazing. So from that day onward, whenever he used to hear that he is there, he used to be very careful. This guy will do anything. He's mad. He's crazy.
Yeah.
So that thing should be there always. I believe. I have this thing. Unless and until you're crazy in your work, you can't do anything.
Yeah, no, I must say, like it does come in your work. I can see Krutika Chandni saying, "Yes, we remember that scene," and I personally remember PM Coffee. I mean,
PM
it
Coffee.
was such a class to actually go and you would go to a college canteen and order PM Coffee.
PM
It
Coffee.
was it was
Well
amazing.
thought, I must say. I'm really thankful to, Ekta, Balaji team, Mahesh Pandey, Dheeraj Sharma. These guys were the writers and the story writers, screenplay and dialogue writers. Yeah, mind blowing. They had written, I mean, amazing. They're still doing wonderful job, but for me, they did what they did was amazing.
Amazing, and I think yeah, there we go. Cheers to a PM Coffee. Let's say it that way.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
I
Yeah.
have somebody asking, Meena saying, how was it working with Karan Johar or, the Dharma Productions
Yeah,
for Kalank?
it was wonderful. I mean, they never let you feel that, you are, for them, an actor is an actor.
Mm-hmm.
So, whatever everybody is getting, you are also getting. So, it was like, and even the actors, for example, I would say everybody, Sanjay sir, Alia Bhatt, Varun Dhawan, and, Vikram sir, with whom I had most of the scenes. Yeah, it was amazing. All these guys make you feel comfortable. Aditya Roy Kapoor, such a
Mm-hmm.
brilliant guy, such a nice guy, and amazing. I mean, you never felt that कि हमने कभी इनके साथ काम ही नहीं किया. ऐसा लग रहा था कि we've been working for so long. Although we were not there for the major part of the story, we were there, but yeah, it never felt कि हम नए हैं या मतलब हम इन लोग के साथ रोज काम नहीं कर रहे हैं. So it was amazing. See, that's how a unit bonds, or that's how a good film or probably a good unit comes across. Whatever
Mm-hmm.
happens is besides the point. बाद में क्या होता है फिल्म का वो तो बात की बात है. But otherwise, it was a lovely experience to work with them. Lovely, brilliant.
Amazing. That's great to know. Biscuit Short and Ahmed की जुबानी आपने खुद सुना that it was amazing to work. I have Kafia Parvez asking, when are you coming in next Bollywood project? Which is your next project? Adila is asking. A lot of common questions. चलिए बताइए हमें.
Yeah, I mean, there are a lot of things happening, but that I believe because of lockdown,
Mm.
taken a back seat, and I've signed an NDA, so I won't be able to,
Indeed.
probably speak about it. I am waiting for an announcement from their side first.
Mm-hmm.
They will announce, and then I'll be able to talk about it.
Yes, so we
Surely.
will indeed wait for that,
Thank
exclusive
you.
promotion coming through. We will keep checking your Instagram there. Let's
Thank you. Thank you.
congratulate you on the best film jury for Nobel Prize, prestigious Dada
Yeah,
Saheb Phalke
please.
Award.
Yeah.
Big congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah.
Tell us, let's come to the point. Everybody's asking, Hiten and Gauri. Let's talk about them. 29th of April 2004, 16 years, Happy
Yeah.
anniversary, belated, sir. How's
Thank you.
the
Thank you so
journey
much.
been? It's just, a few memorable, sweet moments if you could share with us.
Oh, wonderful. Amazing. Every year we've grown with each other. ऐसा लग रहा है कि हम लोग बचपन से साथ में हैं और बड़े हो गए अभी बच्चे बड़े हो रहे हैं they're growing up, they're already 10 plus. So it's been lovely and wonderful. I mean, all grateful. We couldn't ask for better than this. So that's why I'm saying that people do ask me one more question, that if you not Hiten, then what would you like to be, or whom do you want, whose life you want to live? I say
Yes.
no. I am happy in Hiten's life.
That's absolutely a pleasure to know. Talking about Gauri, let's do a quick segment about what would Gauri do. We all have seen you on screen a lot. Just a few
Hmm.
questions there, and let's see how you would react in case of Gauri. If she has to ditch a plan with her friends, what would she do?
Ditch a plan with her friends. Oh, that's very easy. I mean, everybody knows. I think her friends also know that she won't pick up a call only.
Okay.
She hardly picks up any calls. So if her friends are here, they will know and they will, vouch by it. They will definitely be either hi, aa jayega. Yes, she's right. She hardly picks up any calls because, for us, जैसे हम लोगों को एक फोन आता है तो एक ऐसा होता है कौन फोन कर रहा है देखे तो फोन बजता रहेगा उसे कोई पड़ी नहीं होती उसे you have to tell others somebody is calling you.
Mm-hmm.
Your phone is ringing. So then only she'll see, okay, then she'll talk to whoever she wants to talk or doesn't want to talk, whatever, that's her call. So she will straight away not pick up your call. So plan ditch ho jayega.
That was very well narrated. If she were to plan a vacation, where would she take you?
She's, up till now we've been on, I don't know, umpteen number of vacations. We, not even single one I have planned.
Okay.
So, yeah, so I leave it up to her because the whole idea is that, more or less she knows where I would like to go, what I would like to explore. But if at all she wants to plan, she will definitely plan places which we have not been, or which, probably like a place which is close to beach, which, we both love. But because of the kids, we go to places where, they also have some fun. Because beach पे कितना मजा करेंगे वो लोग, swim कर लेंगे, नहा लेंगे, बैठेंगे, लेटेंगे. They'll get bored. So there has to be places which they can see. There has to be aquariums around. There has to be, park around where they can enjoy. So a place which has everything. Beach भी हो जाएगा तो nothing लगेगा.
So I'm sure Gauri must be listening to this live. If not, she will actually come to know. Let's plan the next vacation once this quarantine is over. Lockdown is over. So beach. Absolutely. Gauri's favorite wardrobe color, if she were to pick.
Lots, I mean, black is evergreen, green is there, white is there, like all these colors. So she has mostly green, white, black.
And that's one thing that Gauri is best at.
Taking care, very, very taking care of us, the house, and I don't think I would have done anything. क्या हो जाता मेरा मुझे पता नहीं. She wasn't there.
Amazing. One word to describe with Gauri what went into Big Boss house.
To enter, if she
Yes,
was
but
to
let's
enter.
yes, if she was a contestant, one word to describe her.
Well, one word to describe her, very, very, level-headed and straightforward. She would tell you whatever it is. She won't care whether you are, बोल देगी सीधा. So that's what it would be. She's very, very straightforward. जो लगेगा वो बोल देगी. ये ऐसा मुझे नहीं पसंद है तो नहीं है.
Amazing. That's great. We would
Yeah.
love to see her. That's the case. Just talking about Big Boss, Big Boss तेरा ये kind of show बहुत ही famous था. But आपका जो journey था, we all loved when we saw you there. Let's ask you an interesting question. Your most entertaining time. कोई ऐसा था कि अरे आज dashing के time there was some conversation or anything that was the most entertaining time?
No, every day I went inside with a thing in my mind that I will enjoy every day. So I was enjoying every day. उन्होंने कितना दिखाया पता नहीं. But मेरे लिए हर दिन मैं इतनी मस्ती की है मैंने. But best was when my kids and Gauri came in, and really really अच्छा लगा. एक बार Katrina ma'am had come inside and we were making rotis and we were doing belly dancing and all. So that was also very very funny because I've never done that. And luckily खाली इन लोगों को देख देख के रोज लोग जो खाना बनाते देख देख के I could make गोल गोल रोटी. So I was very happy.
That's
Yeah, I mean I enjoyed the whole time I was inside. I cannot give you one instance, but I really enjoyed. We had a blast. One which I really enjoyed was when Love imitated, Vikas and all these guys. We had
yes.
to, control our emotions, and they made us laugh. Yeah, I haven't laughed that much in my whole time when I was inside. Oh my God, it was hilarious. याद करके ही मुझे अभी हंसी आती है. It was so good.
Yeah, true. I mean, it's obviously it's a fun time, but it's a very emotional journey too. We had a great time seeing you there. It was a
Yeah.
decent time and we had a lot of fun. So that's we look forward to something new, different reality show. We've seen you in Natpali and a lot of other reality shows. So hopefully something new comes up. We would love to come again and cheer for you and support you. So if you'd like to describe the current contestants, let's say in one word. How would you like to describe them? Like Big Boss contestants, example like Siddharth Shukla.
Yeah, Siddharth, I believe, I was rooting for him only, and I believe that he was whatever he was, you saw him, he was not putting up anything, he was like that only. He is in real life also, what I've heard of from his friends and everybody. He's a little short-tempered and, he cannot control his temper and all, but that was it. That's what he was. He was, he showed his true face, whatever he was, how he was in the house. And that house is like this. You cannot, hide anything. One or
Yes.
2 days you will be able to probably, put a facade, but बाद में तो खुल जाता है because 24/7 कैमरा आपके ऊपर होता है तो आप क्या करोगे?
True.
So yeah, so he played his game and that's what people wanted to see. Whatever his point of view was, he put it across all the time. And yes, people loved him before Big Boss. And after Big Boss too, also, he had a lot of love. He got a lot of love, a lot of people. So, good.
Shehnaz?
Shehnaz, I believe, I'd gone inside. I didn't get much time or I couldn't interact with her because the task was such. But yeah, she is quite funny and they both are, they both look good together. The chemistry looks good. Shehnaz and Siddharth.
Yes, Siddharth's way to go. Paras?
Paras, I don't know. Paras never came across like a guy which I would relate to each his own. But yeah, I mean, if he was there till the finals, that means he really played a good game. Of course, बाद में निकल गया वो बात और है, but yeah, He played a decent game.
Great. I've got a few fans actually asking, क्या आप कभी खतरों के खिलाड़ी करोगे?
हाँ हाँ, क्यों नहीं करूंगा, करूंगा मैं, मस्त करूंगा, जाके मजा आएगा मुझे खतरों की खिलाड़ी करने में।
That's fantastic. Quarantine में first time हुआ है. So do you remember your first ad film or the first shot that you gave?
For sure. Yeah, I mean, I'd done one more soap ad when I was in college, Jai Soap. That
Mm-hmm.
was my first short ad or camera ever I faced for the first time. So, yeah, Jai Soap ad, I would say,
And we still remember the breeze ad with you and Gauri, I must say.
yeah.
It
Yeah,
was a rage
yeah,
that time.
yeah, it happened much later, yeah.
Yes. Your first car?
Yeah, I remember my first car. I had Maruti 1000,
Mm-hmm.
so that was
Great.
my car, yeah.
And your first travel destination?
Travel destination, I think I went out to Lonavala with my friends,
Mm-hmm.
college friends, and I remember well because recently only, we made a group. Everybody in this lockdown, they're making WhatsApp groups and, getting in touch. So
Mm-hmm.
recently only all of us have got together and they're putting up all the pictures. So I remember that, yeah.
Yeah, it's always a good feeling to go down the memory lane, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, what's the first thing you would like to do post the lockdown is released?
I think I would personally go and thank all these guys who are working non-stop, who are working continuously for us, for our safety, without thinking about or without caring much about their own loved ones or for themselves. So I would like to go and personally thank them and salute to them that they are doing such a wonderful job. So
Yeah.
you know,
And I think you've been very humble in your message, Jaan Hai To Jahan Hai, Rajiv Ruya sir's, project. So
yeah,
we've seen
yeah,
that there. So that's also a sweet message coming through there.
yeah,
Um,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
we've had, Hitensa, just to let the fans know, you've already answered a lot of questions about your fitness, your health routine, just in general, about your travel destination. There were common few questions. There was another one saying, what's your favorite food?
You see, I'm not that foodie kind of a guy, but yeah, I love Chinese. I love fish. Fish, I started eating properly after getting married to Gauri because she's a fish lover. They eat a lot of fish. The whole family, her side. So I got introduced to fish, and I started loving fish.
Your favorite moment with Phantom? Like we see a lot of adorable videos of him, and you wearing a mask and him encouraging you. But
Yeah,
anything, yeah.
Phantom. When I got him, uh, he came by flight with someone, of course, but
Yes.
the whole idea was that he was calling me and I couldn't reach him, and I was like, getting this thing where he's giving the, he's telling me the directions, he's giving me the wrong direction. Where I'm telling him I'm here, where are you? He's saying no, यहाँ नहीं, वहाँ नहीं, यहाँ वो कार्गो के इधर होता है वहाँ. So finally, when I saw him, so he was inside the cage. I told him इसको निकालो, पहले निकालो, बाहर निकालो, केज में नहीं, बाहर निकालो इसको. बाहर निकाला, उसको अपने पास लिया, tiny small little baby. And then he told me, अच्छा ये केज का क्या करें? मैं केज ले जाओ, मेरे को केज नहीं चाहिए, केज की जरूरत नहीं, आप रखो रखो इसको ले
Yes.
जाओ. I got him and I got him with him, me with I got him with me. And then घर में लेके आए और उसके बाद में बकायदा जैसे घर में नया मेहमान आता है या जो
Yes.
पहली बार आता है बच्चा अपना, तो पूजा वूजा की उसकी, तो लवली मोमेंट्स विद हिम. तो ही, आई बिलीव, हमारे घर में सिर्फ एक वही है जो मुझसे डरता है, बाकी किसी को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है क्या आप लोग करेंगे. वो है, he listens to me because he knows, that is one best thing about pets, they remember everything. He knows the first time who had come to pick me from airport and who got me home. So he
Yes.
has that thing. It's not that कि वो कुछ गलत है, मैं खाली बोल रहा हूँ, you see they are so beautiful inside out. They'll remember everything.
Indeed. I have a pet Hachi and I can easily relate to what you're saying. It's a very adorable feeling. घर की बात हो रही है, Nivan, Katya, Gauri, you support them so much, you're baking with Katya, you're encouraging Nivan with his YouTube channel. You're playing your role as you clearly described. Father, actor, husband. Very well done, I must say.
Thank you.
I think we'll just take a moment to maybe acknowledge the fans and their questions here, sir. But before that,
Uh,
we have the privilege to get a shout out for our channel from you, sir. It's called Biscuit Showtime.
Biscuits Showtime. Okay.
Yes, correct.
Hi guys, this is Hiten Tejwani and you're watching me on Biscuits Showtime. Keep watching and keep subscribing and keep loving this, guys. All the best.
Thank you, Hiten. You're very kind. Guys, keep your questions coming. I've almost read most of your questions.
Yeah,
Obviously,
we'll
a
have
lot
to
of
actually,
love comments.
tell everybody bye because I need to go to another live session,
Surely.
because it's just supposed to start at 4. It's already past 4, and they're
No
messaging.
worries, sir. Sorry, we didn't know that.
Yeah.
So
No,
obviously,
it's okay.
lot
It's
of
okay.
love,
Not your
lot
fault.
of love, and a lot
Thank
of
you.
best wishes coming your way from Australia,
Thank you.
New Zealand, Sri Lanka, everywhere. So you have a good day, sir, and thank you again
Thank
for
you.
joining Biscuit Showtime. Take
Thank
care.
you. Bye. God bless you.
Bye.
Someone's anniversary today, so wish her anniversary. Happy anniversary. It's just going by. Happy
Yes.
birthday, guys. Happy anniversary. God bless you all and be safe. Bye.
Thank you, then.
Bye.
Take care. Bye.
Take care. Bye.
So, Kafia, you did get your anniversary wish there. So, thank you so much, guys, for joining us on Biscuit Showtime. I'm your host, Deepa Tani. We'll keep bringing the segment Quarantine May with yet another celebrity guest. Until then, follow us, like us, send us DMs with what you would like to see next. See you later. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.